Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 18th, 2022. We have here in this additional 9 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, killer Sudoku, and two binaries. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So a lot of time. So half of them I will solve. Those puzzles I will solve are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, the binary, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. The last one will be number 4K. Yes, number 4000. Yes, party all the time. Alright, but first we will solve this baby number. This will be number 3996. Yeah, 3996. 3996. Alright. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 1 4. We have here 3 fives. We have here 2 sixes. We have here 3 sevens, 1 8, and 3 4 nines. Okay, so the 1 and the 9s. Let me check. 99999. 1 2 3 4 5 nines. Okay. So let me start with the 9 then. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Well, and now I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. How about, let me see, these 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and the 8. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Then. 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. Look, we have a 5 there in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For the third column, for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Then 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 means, oh, wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yeah. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. That means we have a 6 and an 8 in this row, 6 and an 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about? 3, 4. Yeah. 3, 4. 1. Okay. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 5. How about, let me see. The 2, no. We already have a 2, 3. Yeah. The 4. Interesting. 6 in the last row. 6 in that row, so the row between. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be in 6, and this box should be in 8. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. 1 number left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column, in that column. So in the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this third row, 4 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. Also the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. 3 stars? Well, no. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I cannot believe this. Publisher, how can you indicate this a 3 stars puzzle? It's a 1 star. And I'm faster than 15 minutes because for a 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so well, disappointed. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4-star Sudoku. I hope this one will be a 4 stars. And well, see you later. Bye bye for now.